Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix restricted communication features on PS5. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. On the PS5 home screen, navigate to Settings, cogwheel icon and select it. In the settings, select Network and then on the right side, select View PlayStation Network Status. Here make sure all services are up and running, like in my case. If you are seeing red for any service, then it's a backend issue. After that, go back to main settings and select users and accounts, other, and then select console sharing and offline play. You need to enable this option by clicking the enable button. If you are seeing big bold disable like this in my case, that means it's already enabled. Now go back and select family and parental controls. Here select PS5 console restrictions. Enter your console restriction password if you have changed it. If not, the default one is 4x0. Press the option button on the controller and then enter the passcode. Next, select user creation and guest login and set it to allow. And then navigate to temporary disable PS5 console restrictions and toggle it off. Now go back to main settings and then select users and accounts, other, and then on the right side, restore licenses, select all the games and apps and click restore. Once process completes, you will get the confirmation. Now come back to home screen and restart your console. I hope this will fix restricted communication features issue on PS5. Don't forget to comment if this video helped you. Thanks for watching.